Hey, hi guys. In this session, we are going to see how to add comments in Python code and what all keywords are available. The agenda of this meeting is comments and keyword. Let's start with comments. Now we'll understand why we use comments. I have written 3 points here. Python comments are simple sentences that we use to make the code easier to understand. Second point I have written, the comments are non-executable. Whatever comment you will add in the code, those will not be executable. And third point I have written, they explain your way of thinking and describe every step that you take to solve a coding problem. And there are two types of comment. One is single line comment. Second one is multiple line comments. Single line comment, we can comment using has, and multi-line comments we can comment by using triple quotes. Let me write one simple program and then I can show you how we can add the single line comment and multiple line comments. I have opened the PyCharm. Now I'll add one class. I'll create one file, Python file, and give the name comments.py. I'll add few lines of code here. Print statement 1. You can use double quote or you can use single quote as well. Print. Now I'll add single quote. Now I'll copy paste for multiple line of code. Suppose I have written here 5 lines of code, right? Now, if you want to comment single line, then you can just simply put here has. And if you want to comment multiple lines, like if you want to comment all lines, then you have two options. One, you can click on control and question mark. If you click control and question mark, it will comment all lines which you have selected, right? And another way is, I'll uncomment. For uncommenting, again, you will have to click control and question mark. Another way is, in definition, I have written here triple quotes, right? You can just type here triple quotes, and at the end also you need to put triple quotes. See, all lines of code got commented. Either you can use control and question mark after selecting those line number of quotes which you want to comment, else you can use at the start of the line which you want to comment triple quote, and at the end of the line which you want to comment triple line, this triple quotes. Now see, code are got commented. This I told you how we can comment the line number of code, but now I'll tell you how we can add comments. Like sometimes what we do, like suppose I have written this code and as of now it is not required, then we comment those line number of codes, right? But how we can add the comments, right? So suppose here I have written some logic, right? I'll add here, let's add some value here, 10 plus 20. So here what we are doing, we are adding two numbers, right? So suppose here I'm giving one simple example, but in your code, like you have written any particular logic, and you want to add some comments so that other person can understand what logic you have written there. So you can add comment like this has, and here you can add your comments, adding two numbers. Like this, you can add comments, right? Now, suppose here I have written another logic, right? And I want to add multiple line number of comments, right? You can put here, you can put three quotes, and at the middle of the quotes, you can start writing. Like I have written here, I'm writing here, written. Likewise, you can write multiple line number of whatever you want, you can add, right? So this is a multiple line number of comments you can add like this. Now we have seen comments, right? Why we use comments and what all types are there. So there are two types, single line comment and multiple line comment. Single line comment, you can comment by using hash. You can see here, I have added by using hash. Multi-line comments, either you can use control and question mark. It will comment all line number of quotes which you want to comment. You can select those number of lines and you can click on control and question mark. Another way, start with three quotes like we have done here and end with these three quotes. Now we are going to see what all keywords are available and what is keyword in Python. So Python has a set of keywords that are reserved words that cannot be used as variable name, function names, or any other identifiers. And these are the keywords which are available in Python 3x. How we can see what all Python keywords are available? I'll create another file with the name of keywords. Keywords python.py. Now, first of all, we'll have to import keyword and then we can type here print. So after importing, we can write here keyword dot kw list. By using kw list method, we can see what all keywords are available in Python. So now, first of all, you need to import this keyword. This is a package which we can import, and this is a class, keyword class, and this is a method. So we can find out the keywords by using kw list. Now we can execute this. See, these are the keywords which are available in 3.x Python. You can see false, none, to, and, as, assert, async, await, break, class, continue, def, del, glyph, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, is, in, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass. These are the keywords which are available in Python 3.x version. If you don't remember what all keywords are available, you can find out by using keyword.kw list. That's all for this session. In next session, we will see further. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood. If you have any question, you can put in the comment. I'll reply.